Here we have question number 3. We're going to classify each triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. The way you approach this is to use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. You don't know if a squared plus b squared is equal to, less than, or greater than. We're just plugging in the values. Notice c still belongs to the longest side. Okay. Once you plug it in, you notice that 73 is less than 100. What you want to look at is actually the c squared value. Notice that here c squared is actually greater than the a squared plus b squared because 100 is greater than 73, therefore making it an obtuse triangle. Okay, you're going to do the same idea here. A squared plus b squared and c squared, plug in the values. Notice here that the 49, which is the 7 squared, it is still bigger than the a squared plus b squared, which is your 16 plus 25, therefore making it an obtuse right triangle. Okay, this is the converse. Last one, same idea. A squared plus b squared and c squared, plugging it in. 19 is the c squared. Okay, and using your calculator. When you add this, notice that the 144 plus 225 is 369. Notice 369 is actually larger than c squared. So always think about it from the c squared's point of view. C squared is less than a squared plus b squared, not making it obtuse. That is not correct. It is actually a acute, okay, because it is less than, right? So the idea is very simple. If c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, it's obtuse. If c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, it's acute. When it is equal to, it then becomes a right.